Quick question. Have you ever felt your ear slightly blocked and immediately thought, wait, am I going deaf? And then suddenly you're hyper aware of every sound, checking your hearing, maybe even Googling it at 2 a.m. Yeah, that reaction isn't random, because earwax doesn't just mess with your hearing, it messes with your head. Let's clear this up first. Earwax, on its own, almost never causes permanent deafness. What it can do is block your ear canal, and when that happens, sound can't travel properly, so everything feels muffled, distant, or uneven. It's called temporary conductive hearing loss. Keyword, temporary. Once the blockage is removed, your hearing usually goes right back to normal. So medically, it's more annoying than dangerous. There's also this mental loop your brain runs. What if this doesn't go away? What if it gets worse? What if I'm losing my hearing? That's called catastrophic thinking. Your brain jumps straight to the worst case scenario, even when it's unlikely. And because you can't see inside your ear, it makes it feel even more out of your control. Unknown equals scary. Now add this. You search your symptoms online, and suddenly you're seeing hearing loss stories, infections, rare conditions. Even if they don't apply to you, your brain still logs them as possibilities. So now a simple wax blockage feels like something way bigger. If this happens to you, here's what to do. First, don't panic. If it came on suddenly and feels blocked, it's often wax or pressure related. Second, don't start digging around in your ear. That usually pushes wax deeper. Third, give it a little time or use safe methods like eardrops if needed. And if it doesn't improve, get it checked professionally. It's quick and usually an easy fix. Earwax isn't secretly making you go deaf, but your brain, it's really good at turning a small, harmless issue into something that feels way bigger. And once you understand that initial panic, it hits a little less hard. Still doesn't stop you from checking your hearing every 10 seconds though, right?